And thank you guys so much.
Yeah.
Super
out.
nice people. It was just
appreciate
insane. So as some of you know, we had dinner last night with Jason and Lorraine and Penelope. We can't forget her. And they were just super down to earth. We got to just no cameras, no nothing, just hang out. And we were there for a while. And we're going to go back in a little bit. We're going to go be on their podcast and YouTube video of the podcast. But so we decided to come to Atomic Furnishing to check out his stuff.
So we're excited to see it and maybe check out some other stuff that's here too. And let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's go show you what this place is all about.
Wow.
Guys, this place is awesome.
It is.
It's cool. I got to do, Jason kind of showed us around his property yesterday, and I could go in his work shop and check it out. And it's like, I've seen all this stuff online, but to come here and see like his craftsmanship, if you're ever in the Asheville area and you watch Sow The Land, you have to come check this out. Like, this family is talented, super talented. For him to be able to do all this woodworking, and then for Lorraine to like come up with all this stuff, that's beyond me. Pretty impressive.
Too bad we don't have a bathtub.
What is that, like a bath bomb or something?
It's kind of like a bath bomb, but it's more like you know put it in your bath and you soak. It's cool. It says it has a verse on it, a Bible verse. That's so cool. Looking through all the stuff that she's made, like she has lotion here, she has deodorant and stuff like that. Stuff I want to do, but thinking about the process is so daunting. But I mean it's inspiring. It kind of encourages me and gives me hope that maybe I can do it too. And you know, she sent me some recipes and stuff, so I'm excited about exploring new talents.
Wow.
Guys, so we are back home and we're finally wrapping this whole trip around us, and I just want to say Sow The Land was absolutely awesome. I think now we can call them Jason and Lorraine because they're true friends of ours now.
And Penelope.
And Penelope, let's not forget her. You know, shout out. Watch, I'll show you. Look. Made us jewelry.
Of course, mine is cooler.
Well, whatever. So she hooked us up with that, so it was pretty awesome. But we went and we got to meet Sow The Land on Friday at their meetup. And then on Saturday, we met them at Mother Earth News Fair. It wasn't planned. We ran across them, and they were super nice and talked to us again. And then, so that was what, Saturday? And then Sunday, Jason actually hit us up and said, hey, I'll be at the fair. And we didn't have anything going on. And so we went over there and we hung out with him, and then he took us out to eat at Farm Burger. And it was awesome. And so that was what, Sunday. And then Monday we went over for dinner, and then it went so well they invited us back on Tuesday to be on their podcast. And then we were like, all right, that was cool. We're on the podcast. And then they said, hey, you want to stay for dinner? And so we stayed for dinner. We got to hang out with them for 5 days, and I can't say, you know, enough nice things about them.
Lorraine was is an amazing cook.
She made me eat stuff I didn't know I liked. She tricked me. It was that good.
Yeah, and she gave me some recipes, and she gave us they both gave us lots of advice, and we had great conversation, and it was just such a great time. Like,
yeah, we walked around their house and they showed us everything, and we never pulled out a camera. As you could tell, we don't have footage, and we hated that because we wanted to take you along and show you how everything went, but
at the same time, it was so nice to just live in the moment.
yeah,
and
it was two YouTubers that should have had cameras in each other's faces the whole time, and we lived in the moment and had a real conversation.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Yeah, and so guys, we can't tell you enough how awesome they were, so we want you guys to know it. So please, 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 if anything, go to their YouTube and subscribe to their channel, hit the notification button, comment in one of their videos, and just tell them the Crocker sent them, sent you their way. And they have a podcast. We're going to show you some of that in a little bit after this next clip, so don't click off. The podcast was super cool and fun, and so that's already out. We're going to put the link there, and then the YouTube video for it will be coming out soon. When that comes out, we'll let you guys know. But all the stuff, everything will be in the description down below. Check them out, check them out, check them out. They were the absolute best people ever, and I highly recommend them, and I am honored to call them friends now. All right, guys, we are here at, as you would know them as, Sow the Land. And they were super nice, and they let us have an awesome dinner twice, not even once. They let us come out twice, which is crazy. And so, I mean, guys, you are the absolute best.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, and we can't wait to come back.
Oh yeah, we appreciate you coming out.
Yeah, thank you guys.
And those guys, they were just on our podcast today.
Yeah, so you're going to have to just wait for that one.
And we got some custom jewelry from,
Yes.
What's your channel called?
Penelope's Homestead.
All right, Penelope's Homestead.
Custom jewels from Penelope's Homestead.
These are going to be on eBay soon, so yeah. But yeah, we were really here. It was fun, and it was just an experience like we never expected. We thought it was just going to be come over, all right, get out of my house. And they were just the absolute nicest people in the world.
Cooked
And
some amazing food that Jason never thought he would like.
I did, and I ate some stuff that it blew me away. And so I think I'm going to go from the Ito diet to, I don't even know what you'd call it.
The healthy diet.
The healthy diet. That's good enough for me.
Yeah.
So yeah, again, thank you guys so much.
Yeah.
Super,
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for
super
coming out.
nice people. It
Yeah,
was just
appreciate it.
insane.
Thank you.
You wanna tell them anything?
Do you want to say anything?
Hi.
That's funny.
Hi everyone, this is Jason from the Sow the Land podcast. And in today's podcast, we're doing something a little bit different today. First time that we have guests on. And Lorraine's not here with us, but we have the Crocker Homestead.
My name's Jason,
And my name is Jaylena.
and we are from the Dallas, Texas area.
How do you guys like North Carolina? Since the few days you've been here.
We're moving here.
You ready to move on here?
Yeah.
It happens to people.
Yeah, I know.
There you go.
Come out here, but
We're moving in.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I just thought about this, but have you guys had any fire cider before?
No.
Nope. I'm not even sure what it is.
Okay.
I've seen it on your Instagram, but that's about it.
And if you don't know what fire cider is, it's just like a mixture of a lot of things.
This is gonna be very interesting.
Yeah, it's like apple cider vinegar in here. I don't know. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
It's like a shot like that every morning. And I think it just kind of helps me, like, especially in the winter. It's nice in the winter because it's cold and this is
Warm you
kind of
up.
warm and like you're just like, oh, you're just
I'm gonna
like,
be just like sweating here in a minute.
Yeah.
yeah, or you might be sweating because it's hot today. All right, we'll try it.
Just that smell. All right.
We'll do it at the same time.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
See who.
All right. Cheers.
Yeah.
That's good.
It's good, but it's got a kick.
It's not bad, huh? But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming out and meeting you guys.
Yeah.
And that was fun.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know how you feel, but I feel like we made friends. Like we.
Oh, yeah, for
you know,
sure.
like some lifelong friends that.
In real life.
Yeah, and
Instead of just commenting on a video.
Yeah. Yeah.